Welcome to biology class. We will continue with chapter The Flower. In the previous video, we have discussed pollination and fertilization. Today, we will learn the structure and function of fruit and the seed. Fruit. Fruit is a ripened ovary. A fruit consists of two parts, the pericarp and the seed. Pericarp is the outer fleshy part which surrounds the seed. It further comprises of three parts: epicarp or exocarp, mesocarp, and endocarp. Epicarp is the outermost skin that covers the entire fruit. Mesocarp is the middle, sweet and fleshy layer that is edible. And endocarp is the innermost layer that encloses the seed. Now we will discuss types of fruits. These are of two types: fleshy fruits and dry fruits. Fleshy fruits. In fleshy fruits, pericarp is soft and pulpy. For example, tomato, grapes, and papaya. Number 2, dry fruits. In dry fruits, the pericarp is not pulpy. For example, walnut. In walnut, the pericarp is hard shell that encloses the walnut. Pea pod. In pea pod, the pod is the pericarp and encloses the seed, that is peas. Functions of the fruit. The two main functions of the fruit are: number 1, to protect the seed from animals and other adverse environmental conditions by keeping it enclosed within. Number 2, to help disperse the seed away from the parent plant where they can germinate to form new plant. So till now children, we have learned that once the fertilization has taken place, ovaries develop into fruits. Now we will learn about the seed. Ovules develop into seeds after fertilization. Structure of a seed. A seed has an outer covering called the seed coat. A baby plant called embryo is present inside the seed coat. An embryo consists of two parts: the radicle, which develops into a root, and the plumule, which develops into a shoot. Seed leaves or cotyledons store reserve food materials and develop into the first leaves of the plant. Types of seeds. Seeds are of two types depending on the number of cotyledons. These are monocot seeds and dicot seeds. Monocot seeds. The seeds which have only one cotyledon, like wheat, rice, and corn, are called monocot seeds. Dicot seeds. The seeds which have two cotyledons, like gram, bean, and pea, are called dicot seeds. When seeds get suitable environmental conditions, they germinate. So, what is germination? The development of a seed into a new plant is called germination. The seed needs moisture, oxygen, and warmth for germinating. When all these conditions are favorable, then the embryo inside the seed germinates and grows into a new plant. Let us learn the conditions necessary for germination in detail. Number 1, water. Dry seeds do not germinate. When the seeds are sown in the soil, they absorb water from the soil. This helps the enzyme to become active in the seed. The enzymes digest the stored food in the cotyledons and make it soluble. The soluble food then diffuses into the embryo. This allows the radicle and the plumule to grow. Number 2, optimum temperature, that is warmth. Very high or low temperature can hamper the seed germination. Thus, a moderate temperature is ideal for the seed to germinate. Oxygen. Seeds cannot germinate in the absence of oxygen. Thus, air is essential for the seeds to germinate. With this, I conclude this chapter, The Flower. Thank you, children. Take care of yourself. Stay safe. Stay healthy.